Hello my beautiful handbag lovers, welcome to the channel. My name is Aika, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's down there. Also press the bell button to be notified every time I upload something new. So today is an International Handbag Day. Well, technically it was yesterday, but I was so excited about my yesterday's package that I received that I completely forgot about it. But you can check out my yesterday's video. I'm gonna leave a link here and also down in the description box. Make sure to watch it. It's something pretty cool. But I still wanted to make this video to pay tribute to my beloved handbag, my holy grail bag. But before I do that, I have a couple of fun facts to share with you. Maybe you know some of them, maybe not, but I found them really interesting. So the International Handbag Day was created on the 10th of October 2013 by Purse Blog. It is a non-official day, but yet it is celebrated by so many men and women who love handbags just like I do. Back in the day, purses were commonly used, but they only had one purpose: to carry loose coins. And they were equally used by both men and women. In early 1900s, the term handbag became pretty popular and well known, and it was used as a term for men's hand luggage or men's hand baggage. And years later, here we are in the 21st century having these two terms which mean the same thing and that are so interchangeable right now. And I just find it so interesting and so fascinating. I honestly never knew about this little fun facts. I told you right now, I learned them quite recently and I really wanted to share them with you because I think that's pretty awesome to know. And today on the International Handbag Day, I'm dedicating this video to talk about my one and only Dior Diorama bag. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that this is my holy grail bag. This is my most used bag. This is my most favorite bag. A little bit of background history about this bag. So it made its first catwalk during Dior's Spring-Summer 2015 runway show under the creative direction of Raf Simons. So this is a relatively new design, new style. This was actually the first Dior's bag with a longer chain strap to wear crossbody. So unlike Lady Dior, it doesn't have any handles, it only has a long chain strap. This bag was created to spark the interest of a younger demographic, to attract younger people to Dior brand. But it turned out to be the favorite of every kind of woman, regardless the age. It is very structured, but it's still very cute. It is youthful but still sophisticated. It is edgy but still very very This is such a versatile bag in my opinion. It looks pretty edgy, it looks rock and roll to me. It's very fun and very interesting. So I feel like I can wear this bag with absolutely anything and everything. I can wear it with my jeans and sneakers, or I can wear it with a dress and heels. It doesn't really matter. I love this Dior signature diamond in the middle. It is so beautiful. I love its understated look. It doesn't scream Dior in your face. As you already know, this is my most worn bag. Even my mom, she gets really pissed when I wear this bag because she's like, don't you have other handbags? This is the only one you seem to reach for. Why do you need other handbags? If you love this one so much, just keep this one and sell the rest of them. And I'm like, well, I love all of my handbags, but this is my favorite, definitely. I got this bag in 2016, and at first I didn't like the bag. I thought it was a mimic of a Chanel boy bag because they just looked so similar to me. And now I would never compare this bag to a boy bag. They're still very different. So this bag is in black grain calfskin leather. It is very durable, it is scratch resistant, and it is water resistant because I don't even know how many times I wore it when it was pouring outside. But it's in great condition. I have this champagne gold hardware, which is so beautiful. I prefer this hardware to yellow or white gold because I feel like it just goes with everything. Even if I have silver or white gold accessories, I can still grab this bag and go because it doesn't look that yellow to me. It's very versatile, as I said again. When you open the bag, I actually keep my strap inside. This is what the strap looks like. The advantage of this bag to Chanel boy bag is that it's way lighter. On the Chanel boy bag, I remember the chain was so heavy. It was crazy. I hate heavy bags, whereas this one is pretty light. It has some weight to it because it's leather and the chain, of course, but it's not as heavy as a boy bag, let's say. This is the strap. It is very, very beautiful. Here is a closer look of it. It is very beautiful. Mine is a little bit worn and sort of losing its color in some parts, but that's just because of the times I wore this bag. I love that it has this leather part on the strap because it's just so easy and comfortable to use on your shoulder. It doesn't leave any chain marks, or it doesn't hurt in general. And this strap is also adjustable, so it really depends on your height. You can adjust the strap, make it longer or make it shorter, which is also very, very convenient. And now let's talk about this bag in general. Let's start with the dimensions. So the length is 25 centimeters, the height is 15.5, and the width is 8 centimeters. So it is a pretty good size for an everyday handbag or even an evening handbag. It is not too big, but it is not too small at the same time. This is how to open the bag. You just pull it and it opens very easily. This is what the hardware looks like right now. It is a little bit worn out, but it's still in a very, very good condition. I like to keep some A paper inside, so I got this one from one of the packages I received, and it was just the perfect size to fit in this bag. This is what it looks like inside. It is quite big. It fits a lot of things. It has this zipper compartment in here. I usually store some important receipts because I'm just way too lazy to organize them. I prefer keeping them inside my bags and like this hidden pockets. And then on the other side, it has another pocket like this. And here I usually keep some cards, some receipts again, some pills whenever I need them, like something very tiny. I just put them inside this pocket. It's quite big. The inside is not leather, as you can see. It has this beautiful pink lining. It is so pretty but so dirty because I've been using this bag for so long. It has the Christian Dior Paris in here. And it is stunning. It is so beautiful. Single flap. They never do double flaps like Chanel. And I've got this little mark on the corner of the bag, but I really don't mind it. As I told you before, I've used this bag so many times, and yeah, this is just a way to prove to you that I love it so much that I constantly have to grab it and wear it wherever I go. The reason why I love this bag so much, I actually have a lot of reasons. I love the design of it. I love this beautiful stitching all around. I love this clasp. I love the chain. It is so luxurious. It is so beautiful and sophisticated. It's very modern, and I can style it with so many things. I wear it with my hoodies. I wear it with my dresses. It's just a very versatile piece to me. It is also in black grained leather, which makes it impossible to ruin except for this part. but it is so durable. It's just a carefree bag. I don't have to babysit it. I don't have to worry about it. You know, I have a couple of bags that I didn't wear as much as this one, but they have more wear on them than this one, like 10 times more, which is crazy in my opinion. This just shows how good the quality of the bag is. And let me show you what I usually carry with me in this bag so you get an idea of how much it can fit. So let's do this. It is completely empty, nothing inside, and I'm gonna start off with my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. I don't use it every day, but sometimes I just like to put the little things I might need during the day. Then I've got my chewing gum, which I'm gonna put in the pocket, in the front pocket. Then I always take my Chanel card holder with me. I never use wallets. I prefer a card holder, so it is right there. I always need a hairbrush, so I'm gonna put it over there next to my card holder. Then I've got my car key, which I will also put in the front pocket. My AirPods I'm gonna put here on the side. Then I've got my hand cream. I can't live without this hand cream, and this is what it looks like. And I always have my phone with me, so I'll just slide it in there so you can see what I have in the bag. This is quite a lot and it is quite heavy now. And there you go, it closed. It looks pretty chunky right now on the side, and it is quite heavy, but this was just an example to show you how much it can fit. Usually it would look like this. I don't really use this on a daily basis, and this is what it looks like usually. Pretty simple, nothing too much. So yeah, this is probably how my bag looks like every day. Not too many things. I like to have some free space in my bag just in case my husband asks me to put his wallet inside. Usually I say no, I don't have enough space. But sometimes, of course, I would put it inside. I don't mind it. And there you go, guys. This was my review on my beautiful Dior Diorama bag, my holy grail bag, favorite bag, the love of my life. And I think if something were to happen to this bag, I would definitely repurchase it because this is just how much I love it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was entertaining. I hope it was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.